Minneapolis Home and Garden Show, looking at some of the cool things here at the show, and that brought me over to the Hidden Bed, the company here. They have got this really cool system. I'm going to need one of you guys to show me how this works here in a second. We've looked at this just a little bit in the past, and there's always been a huge crowd. This is the closest I've been able to get to the guys to demonstrate it. So kind of walk us through a little bit how this works.
So it's a hidden bed. It's a desk bed combination. Normally the pins would be in, so all I have to do is I pull the pin in from either side or pull it out, grab the handle. Everything remains on the desk. Anything 17 inches or lower can remain on the desk. So computer equipment, sewing machines, and it goes down into a bed. This is a freestanding unit. We do a single, a double, and a queen. And all of our beds that we make, both the horizontal style as shown here or vertical, take standard size mattresses.
Now, how heavy is this? If I'm a homeowner and I want to get something like this and put it upstairs, let's say in my bedroom, how tough is this to move in?
Not at all, because it's about 400 pounds, the entire thing in weight, but it comes flat packed. Because of the size and the weight of it, it has to be assembled in the room that it's going to. So we do have assembly crews that can come in, they bring it into the room and put it together for you. But it is also easy to disassemble, move to a new location and reassemble. It just takes a little bit of time.
Can a homeowner put it together? Can they order it online and put it together?
No, absolutely.
Okay, that was my next question, and I'm going to set it up here.
Okay.
Well, this sounds really good. Now, some homeowners, of course, are kind of DIY, and they like to do things themselves. Is this something they can order online and put together themselves?
Absolutely. So we can, you place your order online. It can be shipped either to a depot near your home or to your home, and you can put it together yourself. It takes our regular installers about an hour and a half to 2 hours to put a unit like this together. So I would count on double the amount of time just because you haven't done it before.
So let's fold this back up so everyone can see exactly what was on that table.
So all I do is I put the bed up into place, I push the two locks in, and you're good to go. We also have a steel bar running end to end underneath the desk, so it'll prevent any sag if you have a little bit of weight sitting on there.
And I can leave everything on that as long as it's under 17 inches and I'm good to go the next day.
You just leave it on there. I could have a glass of water or a cup of coffee on the edge of the bed or on the edge of the desk, and it would be fine.
So I wouldn't have to clean my desk at the end of the workday. That's a great thing.
You never have to clean your desk.
For people to go find more information or find a spot to purchase, where can they go?
You can go to hiddenbed.ca, and we do have a local rep here, Scott, and he's listed on our website.
That sounds great. They can search for local folks then that can help them get these installed and delivered?
Absolutely. Scott is here in the Minneapolis and Minnesota area and available to do setups.
That sounds great. We'll put that link in the description below so you guys can check this out. But this is Hidden Bed.
For more tips and how-to videos, go to weekendhandyman.com.